Welcome to Easy English Bookshelf. Thanks for joining us today. You will enhance your vocabulary by listening, then speaking, with this fun story to keep you entertained while practicing and learning. Let's get started. She wondered if it would come say hello. The fox ran around. Several trees and finally stopped by her log. Looking down, the fox noticed Ivory and Ivory smiled, saying hello. How are you doing? This morning, the fox asked. I am wonderful. How are you? Ivory replied. I am wonderful too. I am gathering food for my family, so we can eat breakfast before we go play in the snow. So I must go. Have a joyous day. Ivory was so happy that the fox took time to say hello. This was the first time she had ever seen or talked to an animal. She was thrilled that she had the courage to leave the cloud and have all these new experiences. Ivory sat alone and embraced the wonders of winter. Knowing that each snowflake played a part in creating a magical season. She remembered what her mother would always say. We may be small, but together we make something extraordinary. And so the tale of Ivory, the little snowflake, became a cherished story in the hearts of the children who learned that winter was not just cold, it was a canvas for creating memories and celebrating the beauty of togetherness. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you learned something new. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for another fun lesson. See you tomorrow!